Hi there, I'm Emmanuel from Ecohome. Today I'm going to show you how to install a bidet. A bidet allows us to clean ourselves with or without the use of toilet paper. We often don't think that a roll of toilet paper uses about 140 liters of water. So toilet paper use actually uses more water than your standard toilet. Here we have a bidet that I picked up for about $80 in a depot, and it's a basic design. It doesn't have all the fancy gizmos like the warming seat and an electrical hookup. It's just pretty much a cold and hot water hookup. So let's take a look at how we're going to do this. So to start off, we're going to remove the toilet seat. Then we're going to close the cold water supply to the toilet, as well as the hot water supply to the bathroom sink over here. And unfortunately this isn't a pedestal sink, so I'm going to have to put a hole into the side of the cabinet in order to feed the hot water supply coming from over there. Now I've installed the hot and cold water lines, checked for leaks. Remember, don't ever over tighten because it never helps. Now we have to connect the hot that I have here to the line, and it's a little nib like this that screws on here, and this cold water line's quite easy. It's just hand tightening, of course. Once that's connected, I'm going to place the bidet on the existing toilet, and you simply align the holes here with the holes for the seat bolts. And once all that's connected, you simply put the seat back on. Okay, now that we've got everything installed, yeah, I can make a few remarks about this model. The seat seems to be not sticking to the bowl in the front, but other than that, there are some interesting features like the cleaning nozzle. It cleans like a cleaning function on the front nozzle. And the wash function seems to work real great, really well. And yeah, you can adjust the hot and cold. You can probably, if you're close to your hot water tank, it's preferable because you probably have to wait for the hot water to warm up. And I definitely suggest having everyone's personal towel handy for drying at the end, because this one doesn't have a drying function. If you want to spend over $200, you can buy like a Korean add-on that has the seat included with heating, drying, and a whole bunch of other fun functions. Or you can also buy the entire toilet, like the ones from DXV or Toto, that'll have everything built in, toilet and bidet. And all in all, these are great purchases. You're probably going to save big on toilet paper, save big on trees obviously, and most importantly, even though a bidet uses water, it'll save a lot of water that's used in the production of toilet paper. That's it for today.